Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best Murphy beds, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best Murphy beds options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Stick around to discover which Murphy beds is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Bestar Pur Murphy Bed. The Bestar Pur Murphy Bed stands out as our top overall pick thanks to its sturdy design, impressive weight capacity, and sleek appearance. We love that this bed can accommodate mattresses up to 12 inches thick, allowing you to sleep comfortably with ample support. Most importantly, the functionality and construction of this bed caught our eye. We love that it features a dual piston mechanism, making the bed easy to lift and lower on your own without exerting all your strength. Still, the frame can support up to 1,000 pounds, including the mattress. Its frame is made from engineered wood and steel, giving it a durable base. At 358 pounds, this queen-sized Murphy bed is one of the heavier options on this list, but we appreciate that the extra weight adds stability to the frame. Number 2. Ecacad Multifunctional Murphy Cabinet Bed. A Murphy bed doesn't have to cost you upwards of $1,000. Case in point, the Ecacad Multifunctional Murphy Cabinet Bed. At just $600, this pick is outfitted with a myriad of clever features. We love that it has integrated outlets and USB ports, allowing you to charge devices or plug in lamps with ease. This pick also has a stylish farmhouse design that helps it disguise into the background of any room when it's folded away, as it has the appearance of a hutch. In fact, there are 2 bottom drawers for extra storage. Whether you need to stow clothes or extra sheet sets, this Murphy bed is not as sturdy as most of the options on this list. It has the lowest weight limit of all of our top options, at just 400 pounds. This may be a concern for people with heavier bodies. Because of durability concerns, we don't recommend this pick for nightly use. However, it is a great option for occasional use, such as for overnight guests. Number 3. Best Murphy Bed with a Desk. Converting your home office into a guest room is common and pretty efficient, especially if your guests come to visit during weekends or holidays when the workspace isn't needed. Streamlining this space even more means investing in a Murphy bed with a built-in desk, which means less bulky furniture and more open space. Although this piece appears to have 3 cabinets above the desk space, these are just design elements used to pull down the queen-size bed. When the bed is opened, the desk stays in its current position, which means you don't have to remove any objects from it before setting it up. This Murphy bed is made from both solid and manufactured wood, along with a metal bed frame. It's sturdy enough to hold up to 700 pounds, and its 4 hydraulic piston mechanisms means opening and closing is painless. Number 4. Night and Day Furniture Murphy Cabinet Bed with Mattress. Several reviewers bought this Murphy bed for their guest rooms, lake houses, and other areas in their home so occasional visitors have a place to sleep. Many say that this Murphy bed is very well constructed and has a comfortable gel memory foam mattress. What's also great is that this Murphy bed is made of attractive wood and can fold up into a dresser, allowing it to add a nice look to any living space. You can even place a television on it when it's folded as a dresser. Number 5. Bestar Universal Collection Full Murphy Bed. If you live in an industrial studio apartment or tiny home, then this modern-looking engineered wood Murphy bed will fit right in. Some reviewers even place this Murphy bed in their home office that can turn into a guest room for visitors. The bed itself attaches to the wall and includes a dual piston lifting mechanism for safety. When not in use, this Murphy bed turns into an attractive, classic cabinet with nice-looking lines and chrome handles. As for the mattress, it's built for support and comfort since it is made of Euroslat, which provides more relief from pressure than a regular mattress. The base can also accommodate any standard full mattress, as long as it aligns with this Murphy bed's weight and width. Number 6. Atlantic Furniture Nantucket Queen Murphy Bed. This space-saving Murphy bed can turn into a place to sleep very easily with the easy open and close pull handles.
When not being used as a bed, many reviewers said that they used it as a desk, television holder, and even a bar. This Murphy bed even comes with a built-in charging area to fuel up all your technology gadgets, and a large drawer to store sheets, chargers, pillows, and more. In addition, this Murphy bed's mattress has Atlantic Furniture's CoolSoft memory foam gel technology, which reviewers say is comfortable, considering that the mattress itself has 5 inches of support foam and 1 inch of memory foam. Best of all, you get to choose from multiple color options for this Murphy bed.